doing today, Chris?
I'm gonna put on a Tomei. Tomato.
Done. One more thing left. Here, Chris, I'm freaking opening your damn fucking package.
Hey, come do the grand opening.
Yeah, man. Bro, it's a big old fucking arcan. That's a tip, bro.
Holy fuck. Like this? No. Like this.
So we're gonna be putting this on today. This is why everyone buys exhaust, huh? Just for the muffler, right?
Did you fit yet?
Huh?
The fucking jacks coming off the floor.
That should be about nice. Hyper tough, baby.
Sponsored by Hypertough or what?
Want my brand, man?
Can we put the coilovers?
No, you tweaking on
What
that.
the?
Alright.
So are you just gonna disconnect it from there and just drag out the whole thing
Yeah.
in one piece?
Hmm? Oh shit! Here, don't lose my fucking 18K spring rate.
It's off?
Yes, yes.
What size bolts and nuts were they?
Well, the big nut was 15, the other one was 10. No, 12. And then there's what, 3 hangers? Yeah, there's one right here in the middle. And 2 over there. Ooh, look at this.
Ooh.
Look at that fresh ass gasket, bro.
How many GR owners in the United States do you think have the Tomei on right now?
I watched some videos. I would probably say like a good 50, maybe 25. I'm doing something.
We lied. So there's actually 4 hangers in the back instead of 2. 2.
Doesn't even sound like a VQ. Yeah, it does.
Slide that hoe.
Can I start it?
Yeah.
You're gonna start it?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, bro.
Hey, see what it sounds like.
I'm gonna do it for you.
Open header startup.
Yeah, we have to wipe the tip. Huh? Yeah. Think this would be fine, right?
It's sideways like this, no?
Just got the whole exhaust on. Now we're gonna do the first startup and check for any leaks.
In this bitch going crazy.
Is it good?
sounded like it, literally like an EJ, you know.
It does sound like one though.
So half WRX.
The cold
I don't
start
know.
for sure, for sure.
I like it. Was it worth $200? No, but it sounds good. I approve.
You approve.
Yeah.
Diamonds they wet on my arm. Test on my neck on my arm. Test on my neck on my arm. Diamonds they wet on my arm. Test on my neck on my arm. Diamonds they wet on my arm. Test on my neck on my arm.